Hey, Dana here. Hey, I want my vlog. And this is Altitude. Well, it's been a long time waiting since February 29th. We are now March 20th. And here it is. This is the new camera for my Phantom. For the Phantom Pro. That I crashed. Man, I gotta look back at my videos. Been 2 years. I believe it's been about 2 years since I crashed it. And here's the old one. What happened is when it hit the ground, can you see the ribbon cable in the middle right there? Well, it split part of it down below here, and it wasn't, I had lines in my videos and I could not get the lines out. And then sometime after that, all of a sudden the camera started shaking. It would start jittering and shaking and then getting hot. So I says, well, it can't be that hard. I can get ribbon. I can get a ribbon cable for it, and we'll go ahead and put it back together. Whoops, a little bearing here. Oh man, you pulling? The camera might be. I don't know whether the camera is shot. I don't know. I just know it was given lines and everything. So I said, what the heck? I'll go ahead and buy a new ribbon. And we'll put a new ribbon in. Well, you want to know? I did a video on that. You will find that. But trying to get those plugs in there, oh boy, I'm not good at micro. I work on microsurgery, but trying to get those in there without breaking them, and then getting the ones inside the camera without breaking them. You got to have special tools to do that, and then making sure you got it wrapped around right, and then back in there. And guess what? Going into the camera itself, I broke off one of the tabs, so I never got a chance to really check and see if this works. And I just said that was after I wound up having to, because it cracked this on the motor. So when I found it, the camera was just laying on the ground, and that's how I found that the wire harness here had broken through. So it's been 2-3 years. I started flying it with the Gear 360 upside down. I made a here she is. I made a little adapter on the bottom, and was able to screw this right to the bottom down here, and I was able to take 360s with it upside down. Then I went ahead and got away from that, and I bought the Mavic. I bought the Mavic Pro. And in the video before this is the new one. I still haven't had a chance to see if the firmware is up to date, see if it'll hook up to my controller and everything. But this is the Mavic. This is my Mavic Pro 2. My second one. So it's my Mavic Pro 2. And Yeah, that's my Mavic Pro 2. My second one, not the actual model Pro 2. But, so this kind of went obsolete. I haven't flown this in about 2 years. I actually bought brand new motors for it. My controller's in good shape. Something down the road I'm going to do is hook up my goggles, my Mavic, my DJI goggles, not the sports, the regular ones, through cable through that controller. That's going to be through a HDMI, I believe an HDMI cable, so that I can actually go first person with the with this. I originally, when I first got into it, I was using my camera way back before, you know, the Galaxy 9 and all that. You put them in an actual headset, and then you were watching through, you know, an app, until they finally, DJI come out with the goggles that were actually, you know, set up for that. So with that said, that's where I'm at. I will get this, even though this is off of here, the hookups are still here, and then I'll be able to hook it right back up again, and I'll be right back into the having it all back together originally. I won this, actually, did I pay this? I paid full. No, actually, they had the price at like $232, and they had it on there as make best offer, so I bid back and forth. The company that I did go through with this was Afomka, AFOMKA, and come to find out, after I ordered it, this thing is coming from Ukraine, and this video is being videoed. We are going through the virus, the good old 19 virus here. So I'm hoping it's not attached to the camera. We'll find out in 14 days, won't we? So anyway, there we are. Stay tuned. You know, you're following me anyway on my altitude. So we will get this puppy back up. I'm sure the firmware is freaking obsolete in it now, so all it's going to have to be updated. But I look forward to getting it back up in the air. She is basically an obsolete drone now. The Phantom 4 took over for it, but it's still, you know, you can still get it, and there's still got what is it? Still around $700, because this is the bigger boy here, and it's got it does have obstacle avoidance, but it doesn't have the same obstacle avoidance that the Mavic Pro has, and unfortunately, you got to be careful when you're using obstacle avoidance what time of day it is. If you're starting to fly when it's getting dark, the obstacle avoidance is not going to work. If you're going to fly under bridges, you're not going to have obstacle avoidance. Not funny. So, there we go. thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share.